What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the boy Sandesh and you're watching the boy Sandesh J. So guys, this is going to be a short brief recommendation tips and tricks about book reading. So guys, if you're new to book reading and don't know where to get started, so guys, this video is absolutely for you. I'm going to recommend you some of the best finance management, self-development, one of the best books to recommend to start your book reading journey. So without any ado, let's get started. So guys, the first book I would refer you guys is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Guys, this book is your financial management. It helps you with the financial management. So guys, this is a very perfect book I think for you to get started for your financial. It begins with Thomas Alva Edison's story. It's very I've read 50% of it. It's very amazing. So you can get started with this first one, Think and Grow Rich. So next, another financial book I would recommend from the ancient times is The Richest Man in Babylonia. This book tells you about the how people used to get millionaires, who used to be millionaires at the ancient period. So this will tell you how you can how one of the kings of the ancient period started his journey of becoming rich and how he became the rich. So this book is definitely for you. You should check it out. The Richest Man in Babylon. This is the second book I would recommend. So now let's talk. Now we will discuss about two financial management books. So now I'll tell you about one of the self-development books for you. The first book I would recommend is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So guys, this book is can lead you to success. It's going to books. If you don't know if you have fear of a stage, you have stage fear of communication skills. You don't have if you have to develop some communication skills. So this book is very perfect for you. You can develop your communication skills and you can tell how to interact with people. So you can see what does people want. So this is a very perfect book. More about this book will be given in the link in the description. All the books links I will put in the description. You can check it out, guys. So one more self-development book, The Power of a Subconscious Man. This is one of my favorite book, guys. This helps you a lot. It can help you how can you control your subconscious mind, how can you control the distractions, how can you overcome your mind and become the best version of yourself. Guys, this book is very perfect. So but also it's written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So this book I will definitely recommend for you guys to check it out. So these are some of the 4 books I would recommend. So if you're new to start reading book reading but don't know where to start, I would recommend this 4 books. So I got this from Amazon. With 4 books for just around 350 around something. So all the 4 books in one, it will cost 350. I'll check the link in the description, guys. You will get to know more about these books. So this was this one of my short videos. So if you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for my more upcoming book related videos, or you can suggest me kinds of topic in the comment section. So okay, that's it for this today's video. So see you guys in my next video. Peace.